mu parliament ateko nichoni yayimira n'agamba sobola kulonda musajja oyo is a playboy yali alemesesa n'independence ya Uganda but because there is no other choice I'm not going to vote. He stormed out of the meeting. How could Nechoni do it without prior knowledge?
The brother.
Yes. Nechoni was yali ategeeza bano. Era eventually Nechoni yayingira DP. Yagenda mbusiramu.
Era afira mu DP.
Yes. Abantu bwe bakolanga ebintu nze abaana mbagamba nti siva mulayi. Olunaku lumu muyinza nagenda ng'eruweereeyo singa ndi mulebesi singa ndi wamaanyi.
Ewa mukulu.
Eyo mulwero nabiranga yo muye. One day bajja abana
mzee wange yakungambako
ne batunyumiza ne batugamba tetwaba ogumugga mayanja baguyita nga afende mayanja nagwo gwalwana
gwalwana ati mayanja
gwita we wazi
mayanja mukambwe nnyo ati bamumanyi balowooza alinya
wendi yagamba nasasira mukolo omufuleje
ne gugana anja yagande
nazikuba ku nyanja nazikuba ku mutwe gwe kubatawanya obayiwa ttaka bwebadde a river and a student for a course. Leona kulumu bali bagenda okusala mayanja envubu nejja bweti tebasa
naganti tugenda kuliibwa
bagenda okuleegera ku side eringa bajasi bobote ekiro banywa sigala envubu ye yabagala nze kasite ekintu kigaana neneetabula
nekigaana
olunaku ndubalira wange waliwo
yagambisuka mu church manyi
yabadde concluding a meeting ye bano bebatwala Hague naga nti we must silence Mirundi at all costs. Silence me, they will kill you. It will be the biggest blunder in your life. Mwaba weddeyo kakati laba ono mwana ngegondo kali ali mu bwino yabalaze trade ya organize
for the first time.
Yes,
oyakiriza
bakwata 10 billion ne baziwa amawulire ga Uganda. Shameless. A media signs the contract with the masses to fight for masses. Independent monitor. How?
You're not independent.
When your mother can also babatira malwaliro nimba kubyo omuntu ogwo I rejected the money.
Abamba amasene bakikiriza bagamba bachiwandiseko
mu bwino anti babatwala. The doctors fled. I was hearing here. Dr. Wabuya has fled. Namaganda has fled. Bundi has fled. What are we going to tell these people? No, these are professionals. Mbubagende mu mawanga gali we allows to kill. Kakati obusiru bwabwe buli bwebuti. If we are the law allows to kill, why is the Pakistan ambulance inside? Ono yali
on Pakistan, yes.
Kali
yagala kweteteka mu parliament.
Agati balwana nayo. Mbutoliko daisiti. Fetwata before nayenga
government imagine
ugonde bali omunsi mulirete mbakube kubera obutambi obungi.
Nyaka